Hello everyone, welcome back to our MF Techno Solution channel. If you are a beginner to learn on Linux and DevOps tools, you are in the right place, in the right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to cover all the Linux commands like beginner to advanced level. So once after completing this Linux part, we are going to cover all our DevOps tools one by one. To learn this DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we have started our course on first Linux part. Okay. So in the last 12 lectures, we covered all these basic commands like cd command, mkdir command, okay, and how to get the host name and server name, how to get the IP address, okay, how to get the memory details, okay, what all the commands we need to use, how to get the process management, how to kill the process by the name of process, okay, and file management commands like touch command and cat command and list commands like ls commands, okay. So types of files in Linux. So in the last lecture we covered the types of files in Linux, okay. This topic we covered. So if you are not aware about all these commands and topics, so please go through all the videos and do yourself practical. Once after completing this all the topics, so we can start the today session. Okay, in the today session, so we are going to cover this information. Whenever we are performing this ls-l command, so it's giving the all the information. What exactly this information is? Okay, we'll see in this today class. Okay, what I will do, I will create one directory mkdir demo permission. Okay, hit enter. Do ls-l. Hit enter. So it's giving this information. Okay, we will see this one. What is exactly this information is? Okay, so what we'll do, we'll see particularly what exactly this information is. So for what we'll see for this particular directory, we'll see what exactly this information is giving here. Okay. Okay. So I will draw a diagram. So let me draw a diagram. So it makes you understand easy. Okay. I will draw with a different colors. It makes you understand more easy. So okay, and let me write what exactly this diagram belongs to. This one is for owner. Write in the same color. I will write in same color. Okay, owner. It makes you understand very easy. So that's why I'm writing in the same color. This is for group users. Okay, right. This one is for other users. Okay, see here. Wait. See here. Last lecture we saw that what exactly this D means. D means it's a directory. So that's why from the starting it's giving D. So whenever the file is like, if hyphen is there means it's like a regular file. Okay, this is a regular file. Okay, so it will show with this hyphen symbol. If it's showing D means it's a directory. Okay, so okay, it's fine. So what is this RWX? Okay, and again here you can say RWX. What is this RWX? Okay, and again R-X. What is this? Okay, this is this read write execute permission for owner, and this read write execute permission for group, and this read and execute permission for others. Okay, that is the meaning of this. Okay, so here this is your owner, this MF is a owner and MF is a group user. Okay, so and here it's giving like a 409. 409 means it's in bytes, it's giving like a 4 KB. It's a file size. That is your this MF directory, this file, this demo permission directory file size it's giving here. And here it's showing this Feb 25 and 13:57 means just now we are created this directory. Okay, that directory date and time, the information it's giving. So what we'll do, we'll see this read write execute. What exactly read write execute? Okay, let me write here. So this I will write here, read write execute for owner, and for group also it's given like read write execute. Okay, and for others it's given like a read hyphen execute. Okay, so what exactly read, write, execute? Okay, we'll see this one. Let me draw one more diagram here. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. So this one is read, write, write, execute, and this hyper. Okay, so read here whenever we'll see this read, write, execute, the read R, W, X, these are having a certain values here. So when this read is having a value 4, and write is having a value 2, and when the execute is having value 1. So it's having means this hyphen means there is no any value. Okay, whenever see here while giving the chmod command, chmod, so we'll see these commands later. For an example, I'm just for demo purpose I'm showing here. Okay, so whenever we are giving chmod permissions, for an example, I will take this same directory, demo permission directory. I will take this one only. Make it touch. Okay, 5. So see here, whenever you are giving 7 permission, okay, this 7 means this is for owner, particularly owner, means here what you are doing here, 4 plus 2 plus and here is equal to 7, means you are given read, write, execute permission. So that's why 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. That is for here, this is for your owner. Okay, so and whenever you are given this again 7 means you are given read, write, execute permission for your group user. Okay, whenever you are given this 5 means this is for other users. 5 is 4 plus 1 means read and execute, that is 5 permission to this other users. Okay, so I hope you got this point. So for the ch command and ch demo and chmod and ch1 also, so these commands we will see when we are going to see the permission topic. Okay, for this today lecture I just to explain what exactly this complete information is giving the whenever we are performing ls-l, right? So it giving the long format information like this. Okay, what exactly this information? So I want to explain that one. So that's why I took this today's session. So this complete this information like a chmod and a ch1 mode, we will see this when we will cover this permission topics. Okay, so I hope you understood this topic. I hope this video will help to you. So we'll meet in the next class. In the next class, we will see this managing directories, like creating directory and copying, how we are going to do this copy and all. We will see in this next class. Good day to everyone. Thank you.